Welcome back. Finally, National Union of Seafarers of India and Goa Seamen Association of India's demand is fulfilled. Union government has agreed to their demand of income tax relief to Indian seafarers working on Indian flagships. This has come as a big victory and has brought relief and joy to thousands of seafarers throughout India working on the Indian flagships.
Union of Seafarers was requesting the government for very long to abolish the income tax for the Indian seafarers who are working on the Indian flagship. But it was never succeeded. But this time they have represented this thing with the new government and they have accepted the matter.
The government of India has accepted the demand of NOLC. As we know that the NOLC was demanding for no income tax for Indian seafarer working on the Indian flagship. NOLC has been taking up this matter for all the Indian seafarers with Government of India and with various departments of the Ministry of Shipping, Director of Shipping and Ministry of Labour. Now, NOLC has taken up this matter strongly with newly formed government of Bharatiya Janata Party, Shri Nitin Gadkari, Honorable Minister for Road and Transport and Highways and Shipping, who has assured that he will do the justice to the seafarer and he personally taken up the matter with the Minister of Finance. We appreciate the positive stand of the present government and BJP and also for Shri Mr. Nitin Gadkari, Minister for Shipping and Road and Transport and Highway, who has delivered what he had promised.
Wear ISI marked helmets for your own safety. Goa Can held an awareness program at Mapsa. They guided the riders to wear ISI marked helmets in proper manner. Some cooperated with them, whereas some continued blaming the bad roads and government's decision of compulsory helmets for both the riders.
Helmet for your safety.
If you are buying, please buy a genuine product. That's our issue.
Yeah, that's correct. And the road should be of ISI standards also.
We are not saying that road should not be done.
Do you own a helmet? Why do you wear it?
And आमचो हांगा प्रयत्न आसा की लोकां भितर जागृताय करप की जेन्ना गव्हर्नमेंट सांगता हेल्मेट घालपा जाय, हेल्मेट घेताना गिरायकान जागृत रावन फक्त ISI मार्क हेल्मेट घेवपा जाय. आयज आमी पळयत जाल्यार कितलेशे एक्सिडेंट जे आमी पळयतात, पिलियन रायडर सकयल पडटा आनी आपली तकली रस्त्यार आडोवन तेंचेनी हेड इंजरी आनी ब्रेन डॅमेज जातात.
Helmets will be compulsory for both the riders in the state from 2nd October. But seems like not all riders agree with the government's stand.
गव्हर्नमेंटान ते हेल्मेट सक्ती केल्या न्हय ती बरी आसा पूण फाटल्याक न्हय फुडल्याक बरी आसा. त्या फुडलो चलयता ताका फुडें कळटा गाडी खंय वचूंक जाय कशी फाटलो तो फाटलो बसलेलो आसता न्हय तो घट धरून आसा.
हे जे सरकारान जे हेल्मेट 2 तारखेपासून जे कंपल्सरी केला तेंच्यांनी थोडो विचार करचो तेचे जो फाटल्यान बसता तेच्या मेन चलयता ताका काय प्रॉब्लेम ना कारण तेचेर कंपल्सरी करूंकच जाय हायवेचेर. फाटल्यान जर फाल्यां जर आमी आमच्या बायल भुरग्यांक घेवन खंय गेले लग्नाक जावं आनी कसले फंक्शनाक जाल्यार तेंचे तकलेक फुलां आसता आमाडो आसता ते खातीर ती हेल्मेट घालूं शकना. फाल्यां स्कुलान जर आमी भुरग्यांक पळयता तेन्ना भुरग्यांक हेल्मेटां घालून आमी तांकां स्कुलान सोडूं शकना. दुसरें म्हणजे हायवेचेर एक इंटरसेप्टर आसचो जेणे करून तेंची स्पीड लिमीट सारकी आसची.
Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent.
First ever cadaveric conference with hands-on benefit to the delegates was held at GMC. It was the 6th annual conference on hair restoration surgeons of India held in the state. The association is dedicated to persons who have committed their practice to hair restoration to bald persons.
Restoring hair to a bald person. What we do in practice is restore hair through medications, through surgery, through hair transplants. And this is our 6th annual conference which is being conducted. In fact, in this conference, with the help of Goa Medical College and the Forensic Department of Goa Medical College, we could organize the first ever cadaveric workshop with a hands-on benefit for the delegates in hair transplantation. This has never been done in India before. Actually, taught the delegates how the process of transplantation is done. Each and every step of the transplant, including removal of the follicles, the anesthesia required, and putting back these follicles on the scalp, was taught to these delegates.
Who were participants in this workshops?
We had participants which were basically coming from different fields, but primarily the participants are plastic surgeons, dermatologists, general practitioners, maxillofacial surgeons, orthopedic surgeons, who are interested in becoming hair transplant surgeons or are coming here to improve their basic academics.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.